effect from 6 p.m. Thursday to noon Friday. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a winter storm warning for snow and blowing snow, which is in effect from 6 p.m. Thursday to noon Friday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Timing: snow will develop over central and northern Iowa late Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening. The heaviest snowfall will develop quickly after onset and last for around 6 hours, before diminishing somewhat overnight. Storm total snow accumulations. Snow accumulations will range from 5 to 8 inches. Winds visibility: easterly winds will increase to 15 to 25 miles per hour with higher gusts late Thursday before diminishing overnight. Snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour coincident with a period of strongest winds will reduce visibility to 1/4 mile or less for several hours. Impacts: conditions will deteriorate rapidly as the snow moves in late Thursday. At the onset, visibility of less than 1/4 mile at times can be expected. Travel will become hazardous due to poor visibility, and the roads rapidly becoming icy and snow-packed. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Repeating, the winter storm warning has been extended until noon Friday and expanded to include the following counties in Iowa: Black Hawk, Bremer, Butler, and Grundy.
Escapes, Explorers, and F-150s. With over 225 years combined experience, our
This is a winter storm warning for the following county: Buchanan County, Iowa. Winter storm warning in effect from 3 p.m. Thursday to 3 p.m. Friday. The National Weather Service in Quad Cities has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect from 3 p.m. Thursday to 3 p.m. Friday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Timing: snow developing in northeast Missouri, southeast Iowa, and western Illinois by late afternoon Thursday. The snow will then spread northeast over the remainder of the area Thursday night. Occasional light snow will linger into Friday. Snow accumulations: 6 to 7 inches, isolated 8 inches possible. Winds east 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 miles per hour. Visibilities less than a mile in the heavier snow. Temperatures in the mid-20s. Impacts: conditions will deteriorate rapidly once the snow begins. Travel will become hazardous due to poor visibility and roads becoming quickly snow-covered and icy. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means 6 to 7 inches or more of snow is expected. This will make travel very dangerous or impossible, so only travel in an emergency and take your winter survival kit. Repeating, a winter storm warning has been issued from 3 p.m. Thursday until 3 p.m. Friday for the following county: Buchanan County, Iowa.
Each program.